Hello guys, welcome back to our show, Toy Friendly Unbox, where we feature the hottest toys in the market today. And today's episode, special unboxing na naman tayo as always. Lagi naman special eh. Pero to extra special kasi we are going to be unboxing this limited release and exclusive from new brand Unknowns Toys. Yun yata yung pangalan nila, Unknowns. And alam ko yung mga fans ng Voltes 5 nag-antay na. Ito yun, alam nyo na to eh. Ito yung Camp Big Falcon from Unknowns. Yung brand. And limited release lang to. So, dun sa mga nag-pre-order, antayin nyo na, darating na to. Pero, pipintahan muna natin for this episode. Ito yan. Kita nyo naman yung packaging niya kakaiba, diba? Officially licensed by Toei of Japan, and I can't wait to unbox this. Nakikita na natin pero assemble pa natin. So before anything else, please like, comment, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell for announcements on future unboxing episodes and other fun stuff. Also, if you want to purchase toys like these, please do visit our Facebook page, www.facebook.com/toyfriendly. And paalala ko na rin sa ibang mga social media platforms. Nandun din tayo sa Instagram, sa X, sa TikTok. Meron din tayo niyan. So, spread the love, spread the joy, and subscribe to our social media platforms. Official Toy Friendly. Okay? So, ano pa ginagawa natin? Let's go! Hello guys, so we're back and ito nga yung sinasabi kong Camp Big Falcon na set. And maganda to and magandang balita to. Good news para doon sa mga Voltes 5 fanatics, the Voltes 5 fans out there, especially here sa Philippines. Siyempre patok na patok ang Voltes 5. And ito nga yung packaging niya. So, doon sa mga nag-pre-order, limited edition lang to. So, parating na, antayin nyo. And like I said a while ago, ito yun, titignan natin to. First look. Tignan muna natin kung ano itsura niya. Ito yung mga instructions. Battery operated din pala. So, siguro may lights and sound to. Hopefully. Hindi pa natin alam, ano? So, buksan natin. And it's from a group called Unknowns. So 2022 trademark Toei Company Limited, officially licensed by Toei Company. Materials ABS Super Base Series 01. So siguro iniisip pa rin nila na it's going to be something na would continue. Siguro ibang base ng mga super robots gagawin din nila. Well, hopefully, fingers crossed. So, yan, yung mga illustrations niya. And also, ito yung pinapakita yung parang kung ano yung itsura sa loob. So, may dito, based on the illustration, may lights. Something happening there inside. So, we're going to be finding out soon. So, ang gagawin natin, bubuksan natin to. And let's reveal the totality of the Camp Big Falcon. So guys, ito napawala na natin siya doon sa plastic cage niya, and take a look at this one. So anime accurate siya talaga, oh. Complete with the base guns. Ayan, oh. Simple lang siya, yung plastic siya. And of course, bago natin makalimutan, i-assemble natin, lalagay natin itong Falcon head, Camp Big Falcon head dito. So natin paano to, yun, i-adjust mo siya dun. So ganito yun, bubuksan muna natin siya. Ito yung loob. Wow, yan yung hanger, diba? Diyan mo lalagay yung volt machines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So okay na, steady lang naman siya, no? Maganda siya. Para doon sa mga completists and yung mga true fans ng Voltes 5, talagang saktong-sakto lang tong ano na to. itong construction ng Camping Falcon, and ayan, matibay rin naman. Ayan, pinabitan natin yung Falcon head, pakita nyo, para pag kinlose nyo, ayan, exposed lang siya, parang doon sa anime, diba, ganyan lang. So although itong version nito, nakikita ko hindi masyadong aligned yung pagkaka-close niya. Ayan, i-adjust mo lang ng konti. Pero I'm pretty sure doon sa mga susunod na makukuha nyo na item or product, hindi medyo perfected na talaga siguro nila itong enclosure. Kasi prototype naman to itong binigay sa atin na to, para lang ma-review natin. Pero maganda siya. Matibay, ito natin likod. Yan, simple lang siya so dito yung yung nagfo-fold, no? Yan, tingnan yung itsura yun. So dun sa mga completists, perfect addition to sa collection nyo ng Voltes 5. Kasi pwede na kayong maglaro talaga. And talagang fit siya, yung proportional siya dun sa mini action, deformed, and also I was told sa SMP pwede rin gamitin dito kasi ka-scale niya. Also meron tong lights, alam ko so dito sa ilalim lalagyan nyo ng battery yan, may switch kaso unfortunately wala tayong LR44 na battery yung below. Siguro next time, no, pag nagkaroon tayo ng chance ulit, tingnan natin, bigyan natin ng isang special episode para showcase natin yung lighting effects dito sa sa figure na to o the product na to. Pero maganda siya. Ayan, pwede na kayo craft ng storylines na sarili nyo involving the Volt machines. Ngayon, testingin natin to. Lagyan natin yung mini action na vehicles, Voltes 5 mini action. So ayan guys, nilagay natin yung mini action na Voltes 5. Ayan, sakto siya. Hindi siya perfect gaya nito yung sa wheels. Baka may mali naman akong ginagawa. Pero, pasok pa rin. Tingnan nyo. Ganda. And also dito, dito sa lander, itikot nyo na lang yung antena kasi tumatama doon sa tuktok. Pero all in all, ganda. Ganda nga na itsura. Astig, meron na kayong base, Camping Falcon base na kasama pag naglalaro kayo ng Voltes 5. Yan, galing. I was told na pwede rin yung SMP and also yung mini action deform. So yeah, sold na sold. Sarang niya. Tapos, yeah. Yung galing. So meron na kayong Camping Falcon habang naglalaro kayo ng Voltes 5 nyo, di ba? Yan. Sobrang sulit to guys. Pagka bumili kayo nito, umorder kayo nito, sakto. Oops, yun. Ito, ipoporma nyo na lang sa loob. Medyo nagagalaw siya. Tumatama yung pero adjust nyo lang yun. Adjust nyo lang. Ayan. Galing. There you go guys. That was our quick unboxing and review of this awesome Camping Falcon playset. And it's something that you'd be able to play with the Voltes 5 mini action, mini deformed, and also the SMP. latest SMP Voltes 5 that was released a couple of months ago. And you have hours and hours of fun with this particular setup. And yun, kung meron pa kayong chance kung makabili nito, just grab the opportunity kasi limited edition lang siya. And yan, galing guys. Quick unboxing and review of this awesome Voltes 5 Campic Falcon set, and definitely a must-have for Voltes 5 fans and Voltes 5 collectors. And ito, huwag nyo nang palagpasin to, limited edition lang, so yeah, huwag nyo nang palagpasin guys, minsan lang to. And there you have it. Please like, comment, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell for announcements of future unboxing episodes and other fun stuff. And also, if you want to purchase toys like these, please do give us a visit, www.facebook.com/toyfriendly, and promote ko na rin yung other social media platforms natin sa Instagram and sa TikTok, sa X, and also sa nabanggit ko na Instagram. So yeah, all social media platforms yun lang, sa Toyfriendly, @Toyfriendly. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next unboxing episode.